All right, today we're going to be learning the song Another Day in Paradise by Phil Collins. The song was recommended to me by subscriber Shubankar. If you want to leave a suggestion for me for a song you want to learn, just put it down in the comments below. Now, let's go ahead and get started with today's lesson.
She calls out to the man on the street, "Sir, can you help me? It's cold and I've nowhere to sleep. Is there somewhere you can tell me?" He walks on, doesn't look back. He pretends he can't hear her, starts to whistle as he crosses the street. She's embarrassed to be there. Oh, think twice, 'cause it's another day for you and me in paradise. Oh, think twice, 'cause it's another day for you, you and me in paradise. She calls out to the man on the street. He can see she's been crying. She's got blisters on the soles of her feet. She can't walk, but she's trying. Oh, think twice, 'cause it's another day for you and me in paradise. Oh, think twice, it's another day for you, you and me in paradise. Oh Lord, is there nothing more anybody can do? Oh Lord, there must be something you can say. You can tell from the lines on her face. You can see that she's been there, probably been moved on from some other place. She didn't fit in there. Oh, think twice, 'cause it's another day for you and me in paradise. Oh, think twice, it's another day for you, you and me in paradise.
Okay, for this song, we're going to be using 4 chords total. We've got the E minor, we have D major, we have A minor, we have C, and we have G. The original key of the song uses capo on the 1st fret if you'd like to play it that way, but for me it's too high, so I just remove the capo and play it without it. For strumming, I'm using the folk pattern, which is a 4-beat strum pattern. We're going to have 4 down strums with up strums added after beat 3 and 4. Okay, so that's going to be 1, 2, 3, and 4, and. But we're going to be adding emphasis on beats 2 and 4. So for beat 1, we're just going to pluck the first note of the chord, which, let's say for E minor, for example, the first note of that chord is the low E string. So for beat 1, we're just going to pluck that string by itself. And then we have 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, and... All right, if you want to get the chord chart for this song, you can click right here, and that'll take you on over to the website where you can download the chord chart for this song as well as many others. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Take care.